Hi guys, welcome back to another one of our product review videos, and in today's video we're going to be reviewing a blind made by Argos. It's one of their budget range for property. It's the 120 centimetre one in the colour match range by Argos.
Super white.
Super white. It's the Venetian blind, and there's the dimensions. Obviously this will apply to, they do various dimensions of this on their website, and we're just making the video so if you are looking at buying one of these, you can sort of look at the quality and decide whether to go ahead with it or not.
That's the product code for the 120 centimetre, just in case you're interested.
Yeah. So the blind comes with everything you'd expect,
yeah,
including the safety features for the cord, etc., and the fixings. It's reasonably well made and easy to operate.
Really well made.
We've had to cut this one down a little bit. It was very easy to cut down. You will need a blind cutter, but they're readily available from most places.
The thing that's impressed me is how smooth the, I call it the twizzle stick, is.
As you can see, the operation is very smooth.
It's exceptionally smooth. In fact, it's better than a lot of more expensive blinds.
It's very smooth in operation, both adjusting and up and down. What else can you say about it, really? I mean, it's
the brackets at the top there. You just screw them onto the side. That's what you've got the raw plugs for.
So yeah, it comes with the screws and the raw plugs for what you'll need.
You need a masonry drill bit.
Obviously, it depends what you're screwing into, sort of thing.
Got a middle support bracket there. Just bear in mind, the middle support bracket isn't in the middle of the blind. It's about 30 centimetres over, so just check before you put it up.
Yeah, because the mechanism, obviously it would interfere with the mechanism.
I've bought blinds that are 2 or 3 times as much as this one, and I'll tell you what, I'll probably go for these again, because they're real. Alright, it's not aluminium, but if you want a blind for a spare bedroom or something, it's quality.
So just to recap, you can get these in a variety of sizes from the single product page on Argos, and you can get them in several colours. We went with the white ones, a smaller and a larger one, but that's all we need. But this is a review just so if you're looking at buying these, just helps in your decision basically. But we're really pleased with it. I mean, sort of 10 out of 10 for the price.
It's way £11, and
I mean, you can't beat it for 11 quid, can you? So
4 or 5 months ago for £21 somewhere, and this is better.
It was easy to cut, wasn't it, and put together.
Yeah, and you can actually just nip in and get it. They're in stock available.
The only important feature about these blinds is you get them in the different widths, but the drop is 160 on this, and as you can see, this window is an average window, and it's still got loads and loads.
You can remove them and take some slats out if you can.
Yeah, you can do if you want to, but you don't have to.
I can't be bothered.
Yeah, there's no need really, to be honest.
Yeah. Anyway, if this helps you along with your blinds, why don't you help us along and subscribe? It'd be appreciated. Thank you.
Thanks for watching.